Hi there, loves! Today we're gonna make a daily makeup tutorial for beginners. So those who are curious, let's go! This video is really for you. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new. Thank you! So at first before we apply primer, we need to apply brows, mascara, and lip gloss, of course, to hydrate our lips. Then primer, let's blend it. Primer is this, minimize nyo yung pores nyo. And if you have an oily skin, so you need to use the translucent setting powder if you have oily skins para maging makapit yung makeup. So parang relasyon lang yan, di ba? Kailangan kumapit. Then concealer, make concealer as like instantly full coverage. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Then blend. You can also use foundation after this one, but this is optional. You can use the concealer as full coverage na siya. So okay lang kahit concealer lang yung gagamitin natin. This is for daily makeup ha. And then syempre lipstick. If you are a person that used to put makeup daily, so this video is really for you. And lastly, blush on. The rest are optional na siya. So if you will go to a party, kailangan mo tong i-apply. So eyeshadow, ito kapag like pupunta ka na-invite ka sa party, you need to do this one. This is optional. You can use this one or not. So contour, of course, hindi mawawala yan. And nose line, syempre. And highlighter. And of course, yung wing ng eyeliner natin. Ayan na yung final. Look at that, guys. Final touch na yan. See? Thanks for watching. Always remember, the beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Thank you. Have a great day, everyone.